Hello friends, welcome to KillMath. So friends, today we are going to discuss the formulas of chapter factorization. So as I have said in the previous videos, in this video we will be dealing with all the formulas in the chapter of factorization. So let us get started. The first formula is a plus b whole square. So the formula will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now let us substitute some values in a and b and let us write. So I am considering a as 3 and b as 4 whole square. So my a will be 3 and b will be 4, which is equal to a square nothing but 3 square plus b square nothing but 4 square plus 2 into a is nothing but 3 plus into b is nothing but 4. So now let us solve it. 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7 and 7 square is nothing but 49. 49 is equal to 3 square is equal to 9 plus 4 square is equal to 16 plus 2 into 3 into 4. 2 into 3 is nothing but 6. 6 4s are 24. So now we are having on RHS 9 plus 16 and LHS is 49. 49 is equal to 9 plus 16 nothing but 25 plus we are having 24. 25 plus 24. So 49 is equal to 25 plus 24 nothing but 49. So here RHS and LHS are equal. So the formula is correct. So let us go to another formula. The second one is a minus b whole square. The formula will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a I am taking as 4 and b I am taking as 3. So 4 minus 3 whole square. So a is nothing but 4 and b is nothing but 3. So now we will have is equal to a square nothing but 4 square plus b square nothing but 3 square minus 2 into a is nothing but 4 and b is nothing but 3. So 2 into 4 into 3. Two multiplied with 4 and multiplied with 3. Okay. Now 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1 and 1 square is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 4 square. 4 square is nothing but 16 plus 3 square nothing but 9 minus 2 into 4 into 3 nothing but 2 4s are 8, 8 3 is 24. So I am writing 24 here. You know, we are having 1 on LHS. So 1 is equal to 16 plus 9 nothing but 25. 16 plus 9 is equal to 25, and we are having 24 minus 24 minus 24. So 1 is equal to 25 minus 24 nothing but 1. So our LHS and RHS are equal, so the formula is correct. So now let us go into another formula. The third formula is A plus B multiplied with A minus B, so which is equal to A square minus B square. Now let us substitute some values for A and B. I am taking A as 3 and B as 4. I am taking A as 4 and B as 3 multiplied with, so this will be A and this will be B. So A minus B is nothing but 4 minus 3 is equal to A square nothing but 4 square minus B square is equal to 3 square. So 4 plus 3 is nothing but 7. Multiplied with 4 minus 3 1, so 7 into 1 is equal to 4 square, that is 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9, so 7 is equal to 16 minus 9 is nothing but 7. So LHS and RHS are equal. So this formula is correct. You can also derive this formula. A plus B into A minus B. So as I have said, you should multiply A with both the variables that are on the other bracket and B also with both the variables. Now let us solve A with A. A with A into A is nothing but A square and A with B is A with minus B, so we will get minus AB and plus, now with A we have done, so we will go with B. B with A is nothing but plus BA or AB plus B into minus B nothing but minus B square. So now we can do the cancellation. Minus AB and plus AB So we will get a square minus b square. So this will be our derivation of the formula. So now let us go on to another formula, that is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b whole cube which is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So now let us substitute some values. A is 4 and b is 3. So a is 4 and plus b is 3 whole square. So a will be 4 and b will be 3 whole square, which is equal to minus, it will be minus 3 into a is nothing but 4 and b is nothing but 3 into a 4 plus b nothing but 3. So this is, we are having 4 plus 3 is nothing but 7 and 7 square is 49. That's our LHS value, which is equal to it will be minus minus 3 times 4 times 3, nothing but 3 into 4 is nothing but 12 and 12 3 is 36 minus 36 times 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So we are having 49 minus 36 7 6 7 42 and 7 3 is 21 25 252. So now we are having a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So a plus b will be 7 and 7 cube. So this will be 7 cube, So we are having 343 over here. So 343 minus 240, 252. 343 minus 2 252 will be having 1 9. So we'll be having 91. So this will be our RHS value. So LHS is a cube plus b cube, that is 4 cube plus 3 cube. We are having 4 cube plus 3 cube. 4 cube is nothing but 64 and 3 cube is nothing but 27. We are having 91. So 91 is equal to 91 where RHS and LHS value satisfies. So let us go into another another formula, that is a cube minus b cube. So this formula will be a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a plus 3ab into a minus b. So I am writing 3ab into a minus b down, 3ab into a minus b. So a cube minus b cube. A is 4, I am taking it 4 cube minus b cube is nothing but 3 cube, I am assuming as 3. So a is nothing but 4 and b is nothing but 3. So on RHS we are having a minus b whole cube, 4 minus 3 whole cube plus 3 into a into b. A is nothing but 4 and b is nothing but 3. So we are having 3 into 4 into 3, 3 into 12. And a minus b. A is 4 and b is 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So we are having 1. So 4 cube minus 3 cube. 4 cube is 64 and minus 3 cube is 27. If you keep it is equal to, we are having 4 minus 3 whole cube. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 1 cube is equal to 1 plus 3 12. 3 into 12 nothing but 36 into 36. So now we are having a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3 into 12 into 1. So I am explaining it again. Just focus on my finger. A I took as 4 and b I took as 3. So here a cube will be 4 cube and b cube will be 3 cube. 4 cube minus 3 cube is nothing but 64 minus 27. So on coming to RHS, we will have a minus b whole cube. So that is 4 minus 3 whole cube, which is plus 3 into a into b. So 3 into a is 4 and b is 3. 4 into 3 12. So 12 into 3 into a minus b. A is nothing but 4 and b is nothing but 3. So we are having 64 minus 27 is equal to 1 cube plus 3 12s are nothing but 36. So 1, this will be plus. So now we are having on the LHS 37 is equal to 1 plus 36. So 37 is equal to 1 plus 37. Sorry, it will be 37 is equal to 36 plus 1 nothing but 37. So where our LHS and RHS satisfies. So here you can see A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. From this formula I can derive another formula. First I am writing it. A cube plus b cube is equal to, this is the first formula, and a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. I am writing it down. I will write the RHS value down, which is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So now you may get a question, how I derived this formula from the other formula that is on your screen. So this is our actual formula which we got, and I derived the formula which is on your screen from the formula, from this formula. So I will say you the derivation. In the first, we had a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into minus 3ab into a plus b. So now just consider only the RHS part, that is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. If you consider only this RHS part, just see the red underlined one. I can take a plus b common from the both terms. So I will take a plus b common. If I take a plus b common, here it will be a plus b whole square minus 3ab, because if I take a plus b whole from a plus b whole cube, I will have a plus b whole square minus 3ab. If I take a plus b common, I will have only minus 3ab left. So I have written here that formula. Now you know, I am writing it here, a plus b a plus b whole square minus 3ab. So you already know the formula of a plus b whole square. That's why first I explained it to you. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So now we are having a plus b into a plus b into a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab. Minus 3ab. So this is our equation. This is our formula. So now I can write a plus b times multiplied with a square plus b square minus ab, because here I am having 2 and here I am having 3. 2 minus 3, which is equal to minus and ab, minus ab. So that is our formula. So the next one, a cube minus b cube. So this one I have already said. That is the formula is on your screen. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So now a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b, this will be modifying it, as we are having is equal to a cube a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So this is our formula that which I have explained it to you earlier. So now I will be telling a new formula. Just focus on the RHS. A minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So here also in the same way I can take a minus b and a minus b common. Just focus on my finger. A minus b and a minus b common. If I take a minus b common, what is left with me is a minus b whole square plus 3ab. I am showing it. A minus b, if it is taken from a minus b whole cube, only a minus b whole square will be left, and if I take a minus b from 3ab into a minus b, only 3ab will be left. So I have written it here. Now I have said you another formula that's on your screen. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So now I am using it here, a minus b whole square, a minus b into a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 3ab. So now I can further simplify it. A minus b multiplied with a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 3ab is nothing but minus ab. So it will be plus ab, because minus 2 plus 3 is nothing but 3 minus 2, which is equal to positive 1. So I will have a square plus b square plus ab. So we will be having a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So I will revise all the formulas which I have said to you. Just only the formulas I will be revising. First one is a plus b whole square, nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. The second formula is a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. The third is a plus b into a minus b, which is nothing but a square minus b square. So the next one we are having is a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, and this one we are having a modified one also, that is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. So the next one we are having is a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b, and this one also we are having the modified one, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So in this case we will be using these formulas more in the factorization sums. We will be using the modified formulas of the cube formulas, that is a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. So we will be using these modified sums or formulas. So that's all for today's videos, friends. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. In the next video we will be doing the factorization, that is by splitting the middle term quadratic expression. So if you want to watch that video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon that's on your right side. Thank you for watching my video, friends. Thank you.